Welcome to the future of farming, where innovation meets harvest. Behold the extraordinary agricultural machine that redefines efficiency, nourishing fields with precision and revolutionizing the way we cultivate abundance. Check out this harvester, makes harvesting easier by merging 6 activities into one machine: gathering, transporting, reaping, threshing, cleaning, and bagging. It is the most current and efficient method of rice harvesting. It also makes it easier for our farmers to operate and maintain their machines. Check out this tractor that carries liquid fertilizer. Look at all those mounted sprayers, very fast and efficient in getting those crops in good condition. Look at this plowing machine. One of the most effective ways for weed control, humus production, and soil preparation for sowing. Check out this fruit tree shaker. This machine shakes olives off trees and collects them in a retractable sheet. It can speed up the harvesting process by 25%. Isn't it amazing? Look at this tractor. It can strategically place up to 3 4 by 6 foot round bales and drastically reduce pickup time. Really amazing! Check out this largest rock picker ever. This implement to sieve through the top layer of soil to separate and collect rocks and soil debris from good topsoil. It is usually tractor pulled. This full automatic vegetable transplanter is a high-speed model for transplanting cabbage, Chinese cabbage, broccoli, and lettuce. It is designed to reduce labor and manpower during transplanting process. Check out how cool this multi-row market gardening seeder. It is designed for diversified market gardening operations. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.